How long does it take to cook dinner?
It takes about 30 to 40 minutes.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How old are your children?
My daughter is 8 and my son is 5.
Do your children help in the kitchen?
Yes, they help set the table.
What do you put on the table?
I put plates, glasses, forks, knives, and napkins.
What time do you have dinner?
We have dinner at 8 o'clock.
Where do you eat dinner?
We eat dinner in the dining room.
Do you eat together as a family?
Yes, we always eat together.
What do you talk about at dinner?
We talk about our day at work and school.
What do your children like to eat?
They like pasta, chicken, and rice.
Do you have dessert?
Sometimes we have ice cream or fruit.
Who washes the dishes?
My husband washes the dishes.
Do you have a dishwasher?
Yes, we have a dishwasher.
Do you clean the kitchen after dinner?
Yes, I wipe the table and the counters.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I spend time with my children.
Do your children have homework?
Yes, my daughter has homework every day. Do you help with homework? Yes, I help her with her homework.
What time do the children go to bed?
The children go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Do you watch television in the evening?
Yes, we watch television for an hour.
What programs do you like?
I like dramas and cooking shows.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read before bed.
What kind of books do you like?
I like romance novels and biographies.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to calm music in the evening.
Do you talk with your husband?
Yes, we talk about our plans and our day.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
Yes, I check social media for a few minutes.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you remove your makeup?
Yes, I always remove my makeup before bed.
Do you take a shower at night?
Sometimes I take a shower at night.
What do you wear to bed?
I wear a nightgown to bed.
Do you read in bed?
Yes, I read for about 15 minutes.
Do you set your alarm?
Yes, I set my alarm for the morning.
What time do you set your alarm for?
I set my alarm for 7 o'clock.
Do you sleep with the window open?
In summer.
Is your bedroom quiet?
Yes, our bedroom is very quiet.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 7 or 8 hours.
What day do you like best?
I like Saturday best.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
What time do you wake up on Saturday?
I wake up at 9 o'clock on Saturday.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 7 or 8 hours.
Do the children wake up early?
Yes, they wake up at 8 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast on weekends?
We eat pancakes and eggs.
Who makes breakfast on weekends?
My husband makes breakfast on weekends. What do you do on Saturday morning? I clean the house and do laundry.
Do your children help with cleaning?
Yes, they clean their rooms.
Where is the washing machine?
The washing machine is in the bathroom.
Do you iron clothes?
Yes, I iron clothes on Saturday.
Do you go shopping on the weekend?
Yes, I go shopping on Saturday afternoon.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes I go with my husband and children.
Where do you go shopping?
We go to the supermarket and the shopping mall.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I always make a list.
What do you buy?
I buy food, cleaning products, and sometimes clothes.
Is the supermarket near your home?
Yes, it is a 15-minute walk from our home.
Do you drive to the supermarket?
Yes, we drive when we buy many things.
Do you use a shopping cart?
Yes, I use a cart for big shopping.
What section do you go to first?
I go to the fruit and vegetable section first.
Do you buy fresh fruit?
Yes, I buy apples, bananas, and strawberries.
What vegetables do you buy?
I buy tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and broccoli.
Do you buy bread?
Yes, I buy fresh bread every week.
Do you buy milk?
Yes, I buy 3 liters of milk for the family.
Do you buy cheese?
Yes, I buy different kinds of cheese.
Do you buy meat?
Yes, I buy chicken, fish, and sometimes beef.
Do you buy things for the children?
Yes, I buy snacks, juice, and their favorite cereal.
How much does your shopping cost?
Our shopping usually costs about 70 euros.
How do you pay?
I pay with my bank card.
Do you bring your own bags?
Yes, I bring reusable bags.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading, walking, and meeting friends.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, my favorite hobby is photography.
Do you take many photos?
Yes, I take photos of my children and nature.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I do yoga twice a week.
Where do you do yoga?
I do yoga at a studio near my home.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym once a week.
What do you do at the gym?
I run on the treadmill and take fitness classes.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming.
Do you go swimming with your children?
Yes, we go to the pool on Sundays.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, we have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Bella.
Do your children play with the cat?
Yes, they love playing with her.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I have plants on the balcony.
What plants do you grow?
I grow flowers and herbs.
Do you visit your friends often?
Yes, I meet my friends every week or two.
Where do you meet your friends?
We meet at a cafe or at someone's home.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk, drink coffee, and sometimes go shopping.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, her name is Anna.
How long have you known her? I have known her since university.
Yes, her name is Anna.
Does she have children too?
Yes, she has a daughter the same age.
Do your children play together?
Yes, they are good friends.
Do you visit your parents?
Yes, I visit my parents every Sunday.
Do your parents live far away?
No, they live 30 minutes from our home.
Do you have lunch with your parents?
Yes, we have lunch together every Sunday.
Does your mother cook?
Yes, my mother cooks delicious food.
What does she usually cook?
She cooks traditional dishes and soups.
Do you help your mother in the kitchen?
Yes, I always help her.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Does she visit your parents too?
Yes, we all meet on Sundays in